Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class bachcho, and today is your Prodigy series for ICSE 10th, and the topic for today is linear inequations part 2. Alright, so if you all remember, in the first session I have taught you about how to solve linear inequations. How do we solve linear inequations? And we have solved some examples as well. Alright, so in today's class we'll be learning about representation of that solution on the number line. So it's just a very small topic. The major important thing is again finding out the solution. So first we have to find out the solution, and then we'll see how can we represent that on the number line. So there are some conventions which we need to remember, and then the topic is very easy. So today's topic also, today's class also will be learning the solution of linear inequations, and then we'll be plotting the solution on the graph as well, sorry, on the number line as well. So before moving ahead, if I want to quickly revise it, so I have told you that the rules in linear inequations, rules of solving in linear inequations as well as in linear equations mostly are same except few. What are those few in which the rules are different? By see, when they are same. So if I change, if I shift say addition sign to LHS to RHS, addition will become subtraction, subtraction will become addition. Then if I multiply say, or if I have on LHS a positive number which is in multiplication or division, and I'm shifting it to RHS, so in that case multiplication will become division, division will be multiplication. But since the number is positive, no need to change the sign. But if I am multiplying or dividing by a negative number, if I am transposing a negative number from multiplication to division or division to multiplication, in that case the sign of inequality will reverse. So one case where I will reverse the sign of inequality will be when the negative number is transposed from multiplication to division or division to multiplication. Second case, if suppose on both the sides of the inequality there is negative, and if we take the negative common, alright, so or we cancel negative to negative on both the sides, in that case also I will change the sign of the inequality. And the third thing is if I reciprocate both the sides, in that case also the sign of inequality will be reversed. Alright beta, sign of inequality will be reversed. Then I gave you this question as your homework. Alright, I gave you this question as your homework. So what does the question says? Given x belongs to whole numbers, find the solution set of this solution set we need to find out. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Now beta, see this equation, I can solve it very well by separating both the equations. Yes, I can solve it very easily by separating both the equations. I have minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Alright, so one inequation will be minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x, and the other one will be 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Solve both and get the common solution. The other way which I wanted to tell you is that you can solve both the inequations simultaneously also. So you can use this method when suppose in the middle part we have some variable and on the other two sides the numbers are only given. So in that case it is very easy to solve it simultaneously. Alright, so I know beta, if I shift 3 to any other side, 3 will become minus 3. So do this minus 3 on both the sides. So here I have minus 1, shift 3 over there, it will become minus 3. 23 is over here, shift over there, minus 3. Both the sides, because since number is only there. Then since addition to subtraction, no need to change the sign. So signs will remain same. Sorry, signs will remain same. 3 is already transposed there. Signs will remain same. So I have transposed this 3, so I am left here with 4x. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, less than or equal to 4x, less than 23 minus 3 is 20, less 23 minus 3 is 20. Now divide this 4, 4 is in multiplication, multiplication will become division, but since it is a positive number, again no need to change the sign. So we will get minus 4 upon 4 is less than or equal to x now, because 4 has gone in division, less than 20 by 4. So we have got minus 1 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 20 by 4 is 5. All right, this is the solution. This is the solution. Now what will be my solution set? The question has told x belongs to whole numbers. X belongs to whole numbers. I know x is greater than or equal to -1, but I will not take the negative values because negative values are not present in the whole numbers. So the first whole number which is present in this range will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will not include 5 beta because remember it is clearly written x is less than 5. That is why 5 will not be included. So the solution is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The solution is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So we have got the correct answer from Kusum Lata Jaiswal, then Jyotsna Singh and Kritika Mahalakshmi. Very well done, bachcho. Very well done to all of you. Amazing. Awesome. Alright. Now let's move ahead with today's topic. The today's topic is representation of the solution on the number line. So beta, remember I have told you 4 types of sign: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or greater than. Alright. So remember beta, when I say x is greater than or equal to 5 or x is less than or equal to 5, I can say 5 is included. Yes or no? 5 is included. In these solutions, x can be equal to 5 as well. X can be 5. 5 is included means what? X can be 5. Value of x is 5 is possible. But when I say x greater than 5 or if I say x less than 5, I can say in these cases 5 is excluded. 5 is excluded, or I can say x cannot be 5. X cannot be 5. Alright. So when I have the sign is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, that point is included. Alright. So on the number line beta, when we represent a sign, when we have to represent a number where it is greater than or equal to or less than equal to is shown, that point we will show it by a darkened circle. By what? A darkened circle. Alright, for included. And if it is excluded, we will represent it by a hollow circle. We will represent it by a hollow circle. We will represent it by a hollow circle. Now let's represent the different solutions because we know how to do the solution, how to solve them. Let's show different say solution. For example, the previous homework question, I know x was greater than or equal to -1, but it was less than 5. How do I represent this on number line? Alright, so let's draw the number line. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright beta, now let us understand. Dekho, -1, it is clearly shown over here, x is greater than or equal to -1. X is greater than or equal to -1. That means the value of -1 is included. So -1 is included. -1 is included, so a darkened circle. Then x is greater than. So for greater values of x than -1, I have to move on the right hand side. For greater values, I move on right hand side. For smaller values, I move on the left hand side. Alright, left side if I move, the values will decrease. Right side if I move on the number line, the values will increase. That is why the right side is the positive direction, left side is the negative direction. So I have want x greater than or equal to -1, so I have to move in the right direction. Alright, till what I will move? I will move till 5 because it is saying x should be at the same time less than 5 as well. So x cannot be 5. X has to be less than 5. So at 5 we will make a hollow circle. X5 at x equal to 5 we will make it a hollow circle and we will join this. So the blue area will represent the value of x. The blue area will represent the value of x. We have -1 included, we have 5 excluded, and all the values in between. And all the values in between. For example, let's take one more example. let's say x is greater than minus 2 but less than or equal to 4. Alright, this is the solution given. So what I will do now, beta, in this let us draw the number line. So here we have minus 2, here we have minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, minus 2 is excluded. Guys, remember minus 2 is excluded because x is greater than minus 2. So minus 2 is not included, minus 2 is excluded, but x is less than or equal to 4. So 4 is included. Alright, and then I have all the values in between them. I have all the values in between them. ठीक है बेटा? Alright. Suppose if I give you only one, suppose if I give you, let's say only one, let's say my value is x is greater than 5. X is greater than 5. So if I will draw the number line, alright, so let's say it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and it will keep on going. Alright. So I want x greater than 5. First thing, 5 is included or excluded? Sir, 5 is excluded. 5 is excluded means hollow circle. Then x is greater than 5, so it should be in the right hand side, so in right direction, and you can mark an arrow over here because it will keep going for till infinity. So that is there is no limit. X can be greater than 5. Now it can be as big as you want. It can go to 10,000, 11,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, billion, trillion, anything. All those values which are greater than 5. So just keep going, just an arrow, so that it means it will continuously go there. Alright, suppose if I have, let's say x, let's say we have x is less than or equal to minus 2. So in that case, let's say beta, this is the number line. Alright, we have minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Let's say this is the number line. So x is less than or equal to minus 2. So what I will do in this case, beta, by at minus 2 I will do a darkened circle because minus 2 is included. Now I want x should be less than minus 2, less than or equal to minus 2. So for less than, I know I have to go towards left hand side direction. So towards left it should go. Alright. So on number line, if you go towards left, value decreases, and if you go towards right, value increases. Okay, beta? This is how these questions will be solved. So this is how you will represent the solutions on the number line. Nothing else is there. Alright, and combining inequalities, this topic, this is how we can combine the inequalities. Alright, so this is what we have to do now. After finding out the solution, we have to represent that on the number line as well. We have to represent it on the number line as well. So I hope this topic is clear, na? Easy. Alright, nothing new. If you are still getting any doubts, beta, please don't forget to mention that doubt in the comment section. Alright, okay? Chalo bhai, let's solve some questions. First one, represent the following equation on the real number lines. Real number line means real numbers, all x belongs to real numbers. Alright, okay, chalo. Sir, first one, 3x plus 1 is greater than or equal to minus 5. Shift 1 over there, so 3x is greater than or equal to minus 5 minus 1, which is minus 6. So 3x is greater than or equal to minus 6. Shift 3 in division, x is greater than or equal to minus 6 by 3. Since division by a positive number, no need to change the sign. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. So if it is my number line, alright, let's say it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. This is my number line. I know x is greater than or equal to. So minus 2 is included. That means darkened circle, and since it is going greater, so greater value means towards right hand side. Alright, then it will keep on moving. Okay, beta? It will keep on moving. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 2 times of 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 6. Alright, so 2 times of 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 6. So 2 into 2x is 4x, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, is less than or equal to 6. Shift minus 6 over there, 4x is less than or equal to minus 6 will become plus 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So x is less than or equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. No need to change the sign because we are dividing by a positive number. So x is less than or equal to 3. So if I make this as a number line, alright, let's say it is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I want x less than or equal to, so this x is less than or equal to 3. So 3 is included. And we want the values less than x, so go towards left hand side. Okay, so this will be the solutions representing x is less than or equal to 3. How easy it is? Yes, I think there is no issue now. Very easy toy, very easy. Okay, next question. For each graph, write an inequation taking x as the variable. So for the first one, bachcho, first one I can say x. Dekho, we are going towards left. That means values are decreasing. So x is less than. Minus 1 is darkened circle. So minus 1 is included. So x is less than or equal to minus 1. Alright. Second one. X. Dekho, at 2 we have a darkened circle. So 2 is included. And we are moving towards right. So greater than 2. So x is greater than or equal to 2. Third one. 2 points we have in between. So ठीक है. तो x, अब देखो बेटा, minus 4 is darkened, minus 4 is included, and for minus 4 we are moving towards right. If we are standing at minus 4, we are moving towards right. That means minus 4's x values are greater than or equal to minus 4. Alright, but here at 3 the hollow circle is there. At 3 we have a hollow circle. So 3 is not included and the values are on the left hand side of the 3. That means less than 3. So less than 3. So the third one, x is less than or equal to x is greater than or equal to minus 4 but less than 3. Alright. But less than 3. Clear? Easy? Yeah, the topic is very easy. I can tell na. Linear inequation is not a difficult topic. If you have understood it once, if you have understood where to change the signs, then you will not face any difficulty in this. Next question. Find the value of x which satisfy the inequation minus 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. Let's solve it. Alright. So guys, I have this big inequation. What is that? Minus 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. Alright, and it is clearly told beta x belongs to natural number. It is clearly told x belongs to natural number. So let's solve this. Let's split this into two inequations. First one being minus 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. Shift 1 by 2 over there. So minus 2 minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to minus 2x by 3. Minus 2 minus 1 by 2, take LCM. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 1 is minus 5. So minus 5 by 2 is less than or equal to minus 2x by 3. Beta, if I will cancel the fractions, the sign or cancels the negative sign. If I will cancel the negative sign, the sign of inequality will change. So now it is 5 by 2 is greater than 2x by 3. Shift it over there. So I can say shift 2 by 3 to that side. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. So 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 is greater than or equal to x. Alright, 5 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. So 5 3 is the 15. 15 by 4 is greater than or equal to x. 15 by 4 will be equal to nothing but 3.75. So 15 by 4 decimal form is 3.75. 3.75 is greater than or equal to x, or I can write it x is less than or equal to 3.75. I have told you if we interchange LHS and RHS, in that case also inequality sign will reverse, because 3.75 is greater, here also 3.75 is greater. So this is my solution for the first part of the equation. This is the solution of the first part of the equation. For the second part, we have 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. So it will be 6 1s plus 5 is 11 by 6. Shift 1 by 2 over there. So minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 11 by 6 minus 1 by 2. Take LCM over here, into 3 into 3. So minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 by 6. Shift minus 2 by 3 over there. So negative number, if I am shifting from multiplication to division, it will go change the signs. So 8 by 6 into minus 2 by 3 will become minus 3 by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 4s are, alright, and 6 1s are, or minus 3 1s are, and 2 times minus 1 times 4 2 times. So x is greater than or equal to 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Alright, these are my two solutions for both the inequation. If I combine these two, bachcho, if I will combine these two, what I will be getting? I can say, sir, x is greater than or equal to minus 2, but x is less than or equal to 3.75. This is my solution. But remember, since x belongs to natural number, I can say the possible values of x. So I can say x belongs to, between these, what are the natural numbers? So देखो, negative numbers does not come under natural number. So negative part we can ignore. So I can say, sir, I have 0, I have 1, I have 2, and I have 3. Alright, these are the only numbers, natural numbers present in this range. Now beta, how do I represent this on a number line? How do I represent this on a number line? So suppose this is the number line. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I only have 4 possible values of x, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So whatever values are possible for x, only at those points put the dots. 0, 1, 2, and 3. See, I am not joining them with a line. These points are separate. These points are separate. So I am talking about only that particular value. See, remember, if I, like in the junior grades, you used to learn how to represent 2 on number line. So you will draw a number line on 2, you will make that mark, ha, this is 2. Same thing you are doing here. Since there is no range over here. Earlier questions, there was a range. I am drawing this line because I was talking about all the values over here. Here there is no range. Only 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. So I have just put the dots on 0, on 1, on 2, and on 3. Okay, beta? Alright, this is how this. Oh, sorry. It is natural number, it is saying. Sorry. It is natural number. I was thinking whole numbers every time. Okay, sorry. So 0 will not be included again. 0 will not be included because it is natural number only. I am pretty sure all of you would be like, sir, why 0? So again, well done to all of you who were telling me, sir, natural number mein you are making mistake. Yes. Alright, so since x belongs to natural number, so only 1, 2, and 3 will be my answer. 0 will not be included because obviously 0 is not present in the natural number. Okay, beta? Clear? Alright, chalo, aage badhte, let's move ahead now. Next question. Acha, before I move ahead with the next question, let me tell you about Vedantu's Pro Subscription, beta. First thing, as you all know, right now, the online education is playing a very important role in your studies, in completing your studies, and you do not compromise with your studies. Alright, so that is why we have this Vedantu's Pro Subscription. Now there are still many students who are still not, I would say, they are still doubtful about the online education. So for them also, beta, we have a promise for them, and that is Vedantu's improvement promise. This is like one of a kind. No one has ever said it before, but we are saying it. With Vedantu's improvement promise, beta, we give you the guarantee of your improvement. We give you guarantee of your improvement, guaranteed improvement. Alright, that is what you are getting with the Vedantu Pro Subscription. You are getting a guaranteed improvement. We take the full guarantee of your improvement in examination. Full guarantee, full ownership of your studies. We say you join Vedantu Pro Subscription and we'll make sure that you come out through this journey with flying colors. Alright, so if not, sir, what if I do not improve? And if you do not improve, you can take your whole course fee back. Your whole course fee will be returned to you. I will tell you about this Vedantu's improvement promise in detail, but let's talk about the features of Vedantu's Pro courses. Alright, so beta, first feature is you are getting, say, unlimited live classes. You can attend as many live classes as you want, and all those classes are going to be filled with fun and high level quizzes. Next is you'll be able to compete with the students throughout the world, so you'll get to know like where do you stand, what are they doing, and how much many things you can learn from them, they can learn from you. So in interaction, all right, with interaction you get interactive replay as well. That means even if suppose, say, because of some reason you missed your live class, so in that case you will obviously will not want that you miss the class, so you can watch the recording of the class. Yes, for all the live classes, recording will be available for you to watch it later or to revise something. You can watch the recordings. All right, so once you are watching the recording, remember in the recording also you can attend the quizzes. So how amazing it is, like when you are watching the recording, you will not feel like you are watching a recording, because you will be able to attend the quizzes and see your name in the leaderboard. Then we will be providing you with the notes, quality tests and assignments, and also there will be dedicated teacher in every class to take care of your doubts other than the master teacher. So not only the master teacher, there will be separate dedicated teachers who are expert in that respective subjects, and they will be taking care of all your doubts. All right, other than that, beta, you are getting free and unlimited micro courses. You can attend as many micro courses as you want. So micro courses are chapter specific courses. All right, so any chapter you want to study first or any topic you want to study first, you can refer for micro courses, and crash courses are your revision courses. All right, so that is free of cost, no need to pay anything extra. So we guarantee your syllabus completion plus your revision as well. All right, beta, so remember, less is more. That means with the help of this micro courses, not only you'll be able to complete your syllabus once, but you can study any topic as many times as you want. So you can complete your syllabus as many times as you want. You can revise your syllabus as many times as you want. So for all this, you are getting under Vedantu's Pro Subscription. The link for the registration to Vedantu's Pro Subscription is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment, and the coupon code is GPE Pro, and this coupon code will give you 10% off, additional 10% off you are going to get with GPE Pro. How do you go for the subscription? For example, you have gone to any video, say this is Prodigy ICSE 10th linear in equation 1. Same way in this video also, come to the description box. In the description box, beta, you can see here, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Click on this link. Once you have clicked on this link, you have come to Vedantu's Pro Subscription page. Now here, in case if you want to change your grade or board, you can click on edit. You can change your grade, you can change your board as well. All right, then click on get started. Then you have here 3 plans: Pro Lite, Pro Classic or Pro Plus. So Pro Lite, beta, is the most basic course which I have told you till now. It has live classes, test series analysis, assignments and notes, and doubt solving during classes. That means every feature which I have told you till now is present in Pro Lite. Then comes the next course, which is Pro Classic. So Pro Classic has all the features of Pro Lite plus one extra feature of doubt solving on mobile app. That means even after suppose the class is over and you are reading something and you got some doubt, just click the photo of the doubt, mention it in the mobile app or post it in the mobile app, and you will get the solution and an explanation for that question. So that is your doubts app. After that comes your Pro Plus. So Pro Plus is the course which is featured, which is loaded with features. It has all the features of Pro Lite plus Pro Classic plus one more feature of Pro Plus, in which you will be getting a personal mentor as well. So personal mentor, you can think of them as your teacher, coach, guide, supporter, any role you require them, any doubt, academic, non-academic, you are not feeling motivated for studies, anything you are having, any doubt, any query, you can reach out to your personal mentor. All right, they will be taking your doubts clearing classes, everything. All you are getting with the personal mentor. So these are the 3 courses you are having, beta. So the prices for the all 3 is mentioned over here. All right, and these are the prices which with the discount, that is GPE Pro, is already applied over here. Now suppose if you are talking about Pro Lite, if you are new here and if you want to try the Pro subscription for 1 month, yes, you have the option of trying it for 1 month. So click on try for 1 month and you will be able to register for the courses. Alright, once you have tried, then your trial period is over, then you will have to buy the complete course. Alright, now complete course, beta, it would be like, haan chalo sir, this Prani is big, I cannot pay this money all together, sir. That monthly part was better. So remember, beta, in this buy complete course also you have EMI option as well. There is EMI option also available in these Pro courses, year-long courses as well. So you can pay in EMIs as well. Alright, your parents will get to know about it. Just tell them which course would be the most beneficial for you. Pro Lite, Pro Classic or Pro Plus. All of them have their features, and as the features are increasing, there are different prices. Alright, beta. So this is all about Vedantu's Pro subscription. If you are getting any doubt, just refer to that site. At the end, we have all frequently asked questions. Just go through them and see if that doubt is one of yours. Alright, so you'll get the explanation for your doubt as well. Let's move to the next question. Next question is this: find the range of values of x which satisfies the graph. Graph these values of x on the number line. So we have to solve it and put it on the number line. Alright, chalo sir, let us solve it. So I can solve it simultaneously as well. Alright, so minus to 2 by 3, 3 into 2 is minus 6, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So minus 8 by 3 is less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 is less than 3, 1 by 3, 3 is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 3. Alright, beta, let's do one thing, shift 1 by 3, so minus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3 will become minus 1 by 3, here also 10 by 3 will become minus 1 by 3, since positive has become negative, no need to change the sign, addition to subtraction, we do not change the sign, solve it, it will become minus 9 by 3 is less than or equal to x is less than 10 minus 1, 9 by 3, minus 9 by 3 is minus 3 and here 3. That means we can say x is greater than or equal to minus 3 but x is less than 3. Alright, so now on the number line how will it look? Let's say it is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's say this is the number line. Now I know minus 3 is included. So at minus 3 we will have a darkened circle. 3 is not included. So at 3 we will have a hollow circle and join both of them. So all the values in between them. All the values in between them. This is what represents the values of x. How easy this question is, right? So the questions are very easy now, beta, just simple solving of inequation, and you just have to remember where do you need to change the sign of inequality. Alright, next question. If P, which is x, first inequality, acha, P is giving you one inequality is given in P, one inequality is Q. So values of x are different for both. Find the common values of P and Q. Very good question. Very good question. Dekho. What is P? P is, in this inequality, if x belongs to integers, whatever is your solution, that is P. What do we say here? P is equal to x, where x you will get from here, where x is 7x minus 4 is greater than or 5x plus 2, where x belongs to integers. Alright, so try to understand P is the values of x in the inequation 7x minus 4 is greater than 5x plus 2, where x belongs to integers. This is what is given as a statement. So I have to find out the value, the values of x in this inequation and see what are the values we'll be getting for P. So if I solve this inequation, 7x minus 4 is greater than 5x plus 2. Shift 5x over there, minus 4 over here, so 7x minus 5x is greater than 2, minus 4 will become plus 4. So 2x is greater than 6, x is greater than 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. X is greater than 3, and it is clearly told x belongs to integers beta. So I can say x, values of x will be 3, 4, 5, 6, and this way all the integer values. Alright, then let's look at Q. Q is given as all the values of x where x minus 19 is greater than or equal to 1 minus 3x, where x also again belongs to integers. Alright, so I can say x minus 19 is greater than or equal to 1 minus 3x. Shift minus 3x over there, minus 19 over here. So x plus 3x is greater than or equal to 1, minus 19 will become plus 19. So 4x is greater than or equal to 1 plus 19 is 20. So x is 20 by 4, which is equal to 5. X is greater than or equal to 5. So here the values of x possible will be x can be 5 because equal is included. Array yaar, why I am doing this mistake? Yeah, 3 is not included over here. Okay, 4, 5, 6 and all. 3 is not included over here. Alright, so here x can be 5, 6, 7 and so on. So beta, obviously the common values are 5, 6, 7. These are available over there. Only 4 is not common. So I can say from these two, common values of P and Q are 5, 6, 7, 8 and this way keep continuing, keep going till infinity. Alright, ठीक है बेटा. So this is how this question will be done. Common values are 5, 6, 7, 8 and all those. ठीक है बच्चों, चलो भाई, let's move ahead. Next question. Next question is this. देखो क्या बोल रहा है next question. Question number 6. Find the range of the values of x which satisfy this inequation. Graph in each of the following cases the values of x on the different real number lines, where first x belongs to whole number. अब x belongs to z means x belongs to integers. ठीक है, z means what बेटा? Integers. And the last one, x belongs to real numbers. R means x belongs to real numbers. ठीक है, अब let's solve it. So first let's solve this identity. Very easy it is. So we have minus 1 by 3. Alright, let me use a different color pen. Only since basically I can see variable is only in the middle, I can solve both the inequations simultaneously. So I have minus 1 by 3 is greater than or equal to x by 2 plus 1 2 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3 is less than 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31 by 6. Shift 5 by 3 on the other side. So minus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is greater than or equal to x by 2 is less than 31 by 6 minus 5 by 3. So here minus 1 minus 5 denominator is already same. So it is minus 6 by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2. And here if I take LCM, so it is into 2 into 2. So 5 2s are 10. 31 minus 10 is 21 by 6. 21 by 6. Then if I will shift 2, so 2 is in division, it will go in multiplication and it is a positive number, so no need to change the sign. So minus 6 by 3 is minus 2 only. Multiply that with 2 greater than or equal to x, and here 21 by 6 into 2. Okay, you can say 2 ones are 2 3s are 3 ones are 3 7s are. So final value beta we have got is that x belongs to क्या है, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So x is greater than or equal to minus 4 but less than 7. X is greater than or equal to minus 4 but x is less than 7. Alright, simple inequations. Now let us represent these on 3 different number lines. So when x is greater than or equal to minus 4 but less than 7, this is the solution. First case, when x belongs to whole numbers. So in this case the values of x possible will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. Alright, so on the number line how will it look? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose like this. So I will only mark the point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, this is how you will plot the graph or plot the solution on the number line. ठीक है बेटा. Next one. Next we have is x belongs to integers. So in this case, the values of x possible, I can take the negative values as well. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All these values. So again on the number line, I will show minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright. So beta here the graph will be like, so minus 4 is accepted, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Alright. Now beta the last one is x belongs to real numbers. The third one, in this case x belongs to real number, so I can say x will be all these values, all the values between minus 4 to 7 where minus 4 is included. So let's say this is the number line, minus 5, चलो minus 5 से शुरू करते हैं, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so I can see beta minus 4 is included. Chalo, at darkened circle at minus 4. 7 is excluded, so a hollow circle at 7 and all the values in between. All the values in between. ठीक है बेटा? All the values in between. So this is how we will represent all the three different solutions. So you can clearly see the values of x which will be in our solution set depends upon the replacement set which I have discussed in the previous class. Alright beta, okay? So this is how this question will be done. Alright, now this is the question. Solve the following equation in an equation and write the solution set. So you need to solve it and write the solution set and represent it the solution on a number line. ठीक है, चलो solve करते हैं. Let's solve it. Simple है. अब since the variable is present on both the sides, let's better separate the inequation. All right. तो बच्चों चलो भाई. First thing I have 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12. All right, and it is clearly given x belongs to real numbers. चलो भाई. तो let us solve this. All right. So first I will write this in equation. 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4. So shift minus 5 over here, so 13x minus 15x is less than 4 plus 5. So minus 2x is less than 9. So x is less than, अब देखो सिंपल सी बात है बेटा यहाँ पे. Now minus 2 is there. Minus 2 I have to shift it over there in division. So it will become 9 upon minus 2. So if I am shifting a negative number in division, negative number had transferred, that is why I will change the sign. So now I have got x is greater than 9 upon minus 2 is equal to minus of 4.5. X is greater than minus of 4.5. Then the second inequation beta which we need to solve is 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12. So shift 4 over there, 7x over here. So 15x minus 7x is less than 12 minus 4. So here you are getting minus 15 minus 7 is 8x is less than 12 minus 4 is 8. So I can say x is less than 8 by 8 which is equal to 1. So we have got x is greater than minus 4.5 and x is less than 1. So if I combine these two, I can clearly say, sir, x is less than 1 but it is greater than minus of 4.5. Minus of 4.5. So if I show this on the number line, so let's say it is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Minus 4.5 will be exactly between minus 4 and minus 5. Chalo bhai, minus 4 and minus 5 between them. Here we have minus of 4.5. Minus of 4.5 is beta again not included. So I will keep a hollow circle at minus 4.5. And 1 also is not included. So 1 at 1 also we have a hollow circle. And then I will join all the points. So this will represent the solution. This will represent the solution from minus 4.5 to 1. Alright beta, okay? So this is how the questions are done. Now see, homework question I have given you, given A and B. So that kind of question, A's value you have to find out. First in equation will give you the values of A. X belongs to I means X belongs to integers. And the second one, X belongs to real numbers. Represent A and B on two different number lines. Write down the common values of A and B. So I want you all in the answer comment section. In comment section, I want you all to first write the values of A. What are the values of A possible? Then I want you to write what are the values of B possible. And then I want you to write the common values of both A and B. Common values of A and B. So in three parts, you will give me the answer for this question. First, let me know what is the values of A. Then let me know what are the values of B. And then let me know what are the values of A and B. Common values of both. Alright. ठीक है बच्चों, so this is all in today's class. I have told you about Vedantu's Pro Subscription, Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Flow Plus. Which one you think is appealing most to you, which one is giving you the most and the most required features for you, you can register for those courses. And we are not doing the syllabus only once. At this price you can complete your syllabus as many times as you want. Also talking about Vedantu's improvement promise beta, I have told you we are taking the full ownership of your studies. We are taking the full guarantee of your studies, guaranteed improvement. We guarantee your improvement that definitely your marks will improve. And if your marks will not improve, we will give your whole course fee back without any questions asked. Alright. Only thing is you should be our long-term student. You should be with us throughout the year. You should have a mandatory attendance of 75% and 75% assigned test you should complete. Alright, very genuine attendance and test. Alright, we know there are sometimes personal reasons for which you may not be able to attend the live classes. That is why 75% is a very genuine one. Alright, so thank you so much guys. I hope all of you enjoyed the class. Please don't forget to write the answer of the homework question in the description box so that I can show the name of the students in the next class. And this is all in today's class. Thank you so much guys for coming to the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.